do a quick demo of the software here, some of the features, and for some of you guys that want to see it, and then kind of how I've been using it. Start out by clicking New up here, Client. If you have both softwares, the management software and the tile design, it'll pull your customers directly in here. When you're picking your client, you're not picking the field, you're picking where they're located and where their billing goes. So once you have your client set up, inside of the client, you can make as many fields as you want. So we'll just quick pick one here. I'll go a little bigger than 160 acre farm. We'll just do 600 acres so you can see how fast it loads. Once you have their field set up, you create the jobs inside of the field. So you can have as many jobs as you want tied to each field. That way, if you do 40 acres this year and 100 next year, you can load them both separately and have different estimates. And then back to having both softwares, you can automatically generate an estimate off from the design. You can manually upload your own data. It's like if you were to record your own topography or download it from somewhere, or you can auto fetch and click Start Job. Doesn't take long. You'll have your topography in. It's building the contours right now and the flow arrows. Those won't take much longer after that. Keep in mind this is like 600 acres. Once those are done, I come down here. I turn my transparency up so I can see through. Then I go to contours. I like darker contours. Got to turn them on first. Turn on the contours, and then I adjust my color of my contour lines. I like them a little darker. Once you're done there, there's a lot more options you guys can look into. Actually, I want to quick change the generation here. I want 1 foot, 5 foot. There's a few more numbers going to be put in there in the next week. Now we go into design mode. Once you're in design, you can do this at any point. You can go to full screen too and use this in full screen. So once you get into here, start out by dropping your outlet in. You can't draw any tile without an outlet. Click the draw pipe. Start off with your mains. Left mouse button moves you around in this mode, or otherwise it's a select button, or you can use the center button to move at any time. If you're clicking and you're clicking fast and you mess up and you click out there and you're like, shoot, just hit the delete key. It does undo, backs you up. And then you can press the enter key to finish the line. Or you can click finish on the screen right there. I'm using the arrows to move right now instead of grabbing the screen. And then I just click enter to finish the line. At the top here, this box pops up where you can pick laterals, whatever, virtual. Then I'll throw my virtual line in. This can be used for a boundary or a place you want to extend your lines to. And when extending to these, you can have an offset. Also, what's nice about the virtual line, you can leave them in, you don't have to delete them. They don't get exported as lines, they don't show up on maps. It's only used in the design side. Once you draw your first lateral, you can keep drawing laterals, or you can come into the pattern tool. Start by selecting your main, then your lateral. See the lines popping up here. So then you come over here, you can do left side, right side. You can do both. You can come down here and click and add as many lines as you want. Just watch them fill in. Or you can fill to the end. Fill to the end, both directions. And sizing is worded wrong. It's actually length. So you got default, custom, per line, or virtual. And then just click on your virtual line out here, and then all those lines will be extended. Pick a virtual line. all your lines will get extended out to here. Apply. So that's how quick you can. Keep in mind, this is in testing. There's more features coming out. There's a few things that are getting updated every day. This might go down while they're doing updates, but those of you that are using this, um, all we ask is that you click right here, feedback. Just keep giving us feedback. What can we improve? Because whatever you put in here, as long as it makes sense, is going to get implemented immediately within the next couple weeks. So, message me if you got any questions.